Epix is reteaming with deep web helmer Alex Winter for the Panama Papers, an investigative documentary feature from Bungalow Media Entertainment, Trouper Productions and Zipper Brothers Films, for premiere Monday, November 26 at 9 p.m. ET.
The Panama Papers details the unprecedented coordination of journalists from around the world working in secret, at great personal risk, to expose the largest data leak in history, a global corruption scandal involving corrupt power brokers, the uber-rich, elected officials, dictators, cartel bosses, athletes and celebrities who had used the Panamanian law firm of Mossack Fonseca to hide their money. The story cracked open a hidden network of tax evasion, fraud, cronyism, bribing government officials, rigging elections, and murder. Produced by Robert Friedman, Winter, and Glenn Zipper, the Panama Papers strikes at the heart of the biggest themes of our times: income inequality, whistleblowers and corrupt power brokers manipulating world governments and big business. Oscar winner Laura Poitras, Citizen4, and Charlotte Cook executive produce.
Winter last collaborated with Epix on award-winning docu-Deep Web, which, following its Epix premiere, opened as the #1 documentary on iTunes when it went wide in September 2015. Winter has recently completed 2 short documentary films for Poitras' Field of Vision, Relatively Free and Trump's Lobby. He is now wrapping the documentary feature Trust Machine, the story of blockchain for Singular DTV and Futurism Studios. His next project is Zappa, the first all-access documentary on the life and times of Frank Zappa. The Kickstarter campaign for this project was the highest-funded documentary in crowdfunding history. I am thrilled and honored to be working with Epix again to tell this story. The Panama Papers strikes at the heart of the issues of corruption and inequality, which is an especially important story in our current political climate, said Winter.
Netflix also announced Tuesday that it has committed to finance and release a drama feature about the Panama Papers scandal, The Laundromat, directed by Steven Soderbergh and starring David Schwimmer, Gary Oldman, and Antonio Banderas. Nada Siryanik, head of sales for Great Point Media, is handling worldwide sales of Epix's The Panama Papers.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.